Hey everybody, Maria Marquis here, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can add interactivity and fun to your Coda docs using buttons. So here I've got this task table, and people can come down here and choose to add a row like this, but why do that when you can have a button instead? To add a button, I just go slash and button. We're gonna choose a new button right here, and now I can decide what should this button do for me. So first I decide when I click this button, what should it do? And look at all of the fun stuff this button can do. We can add rows to table, modifies rows, duplicate rows, copy to a clipboard, duplicate the page, notify a user, push other buttons. The details here are endless. But in this case, I want to just choose add a row because I want people to be able to add to this table. Now I decide, okay, well, which table should that go to? I'm going to have it go to the task table. Now, if I wanted, I could choose some preset values. For example, maybe I want the assignee to be whoever is adding it to this table. Well, I'll just go equals and user. So then whoever clicks the button, it's going to have their name. And I can also choose if I want this row to open up for editing. And we'll see what that looks like in just a minute. The last thing I can decide is, how do I want this button to look? I'm going to have the label of the button say, add a new task to the table. Then I can choose an icon. Maybe I want it to be this nice little plus, but I could also say pizza. Why not? That's a good one. And then we can choose the color. I'm going to make it pink. And then we decide how big should this button be. Do I want it to be small, medium, or large? And we'll choose large, just like the pizzas. So now we've got this great button that we can click on, add new task to the table, and this is what I mean by open row for editing. It pops it up in this nice light box, and now I can say, all right, the task should be order pizza for the whole team. It's automatically assigned to me because I pushed the button. The status is pending, and I could choose the due date to be whatever I wanted, and definitely decide this is urgent. So now we've got that handy little order pizza for the whole team. We have that button that makes it really clear what to do and also makes it a little bit more fun to work with our data. So here we put our button in the canvas, but we can also decide if we want to make a button column just by clicking plus and choosing button. So buttons can go in both of those places to make it really clear for your users how to interact and what they should do. So now it's your turn. Take a look at your Coda doc. See where you might want to add a button to make it feel like it's coming alive. And I'll see you next time.